Good morning, traders. This morning we're dealing with overextended rally. We identified days in advance that this is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. We identified days in advance that this is Alpha Fibonacci support where buyers stepped in from with vengeance. So intelligent trader understands the danger of overextended rally. Intelligent trader monitors very carefully this support. Intelligent trader never ever buying into resistance. So any and every pullback is a gift. That's what intelligent trader knows. So when the short in a play, intelligent trader understands 26,000 is institutional buy zone. So if you decided to short from Alpha Fibonacci resistance, this is what you're paying attention to. You are not speculating in this market. You're understanding what institutions do. And if you are trading with institutions, and you're understanding that institutions continue viciously buying the pullbacks, you are not touching shorts. You're looking to only buy the markets because you're interested trading with institutional bias. Correct? Boom. So let's ask what our incredible students have done this morning, shall we? So my brilliant, incredible traders, please do share. What have you done prior to coming to the trading room? Stunning results. Phenomenal. Scott is killing it. Swing trading 2.5 points on this SGX, 3 days, 16 points TQQQ. 5 days, Khalid is killing it on Dow, 36 points on Dow. Incredible positive traders supporting each other. Brad is killing it on S&P, 3.75. Andy trading gold. Phenomenal job, everyone. Dow is killing it on Dow. Look at this. Every single trader, different account. Every single trader, different experience. Every single trader, serious about trading. You decide what you want to trade. How much effort you make, how serious you are about trading will determine your success. Every trader, different instrument. I love it. What a phenomenal line. You can't go wrong with AFS system. So, I don't even know what 2.5 points on DSGX is. I don't even know what 1 point is on TQQQ. What is it, Scott? I love it. AFS equals ATM. Thank you, guys. Brilliant, stunning quotes. But what I do know, what Dow is equal on 1 point, correct? $5. So on one lot, 36 points on Dow is $180, correct? 10 lots, $1,800. 20 lots, $3,600. Correct? Brett, 3.75 on S&P. $1.50, correct? So if we do 4 points on S&P, it is $200 on one lot. It is $2,000 on 10 lots. It is $4,000 on 20 lots. And if you're subtracting quarter, do the math. You decide how many lots you would like to trade on the most popular day trading instrument in US. Andy trading gold. 1 point on gold, $10. Correct? 4 points On one lot, $40. On 10 lots, 400. On 20 lots, 800. You decide how many lots you should trade with your account size. As Dow remains stuck and frozen, this is the reason we're doing this Monday preview. As my brilliant, intelligent traders know what to trade and how. So when Scott is sharing $1.1 on triple levered NASDAQ ETF, do the math. 16 points. One lot, $16. 10 lots, 160. 20 lots, 320. Do the math. You decide how you want to trade. Phenomenal quotes. Thank you, traders. AFS equal ATM as market remains stuck. So let me show you the most important part and what intelligent trader does and what intelligent trader understands before the start of the trading day. This institutional rally in a progress, traders. This is the biggest recovery, the biggest quarter since 1987. Stunning and flawless vertical bullish rally when institutions stepped in with vengeance from institutional Alpha Fibonacci support on historical day, March 23rd. 2020. So this is what intelligent trader knew weeks in advance, that this is institutional buy zone. This is not the place to short. This is what Dow looked like prior to reaching critical buy point. So when Dow reaches institutional support, 19,000 level, crucial buy zone, critical green level, this is where institutions step in with vengeance. Intelligent trader well prepared. Intelligent trader not succumbing to panic, to negativity, to junky, hysterical news that designed against trader. Poor shorts. Panic. Hold. That means opportunity to buy, not to short, when institutional Alpha Fibonacci support is present. Correct? So when buyers start stepping in, no one is surprised. All precise. And that's what intelligent traders have done on that historical March 23rd, buying with institutions, not shorting the markets into institutional support. This was historical day, traders. March 23rd, 19,000 level. We knew that months in advance. No panic here. It's opportunity to buy, not to short near. So when buyers step in with vengeance, intelligent trader knows in advance where Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is, where institutions will step in with vengeance. But what is critical? 25,000 crucial critical support. That's what intelligent trader knows. And that's a war zone we've been stuck in for the last 5 weeks. All in advance, never after the fact. So this is your institutional trading range. It can remain for months. Intelligent trader never, ever, ever shorting near 25,000 level. This is down now, traders, on July 6th. And that's spectacular, historical, vertical recovery. The most powerful bullish quarter since 1987. That's shown you once again. The only way you can erase panic, hysteria, nonsense, negativity, if you turn off the news. If you stop succumbing to panic and negative news. If you start understanding what institutions do, if you start trading with institutions, buying with institutions, with institutional buy zone. That's been the case with 25,000 level. And when the price does not collapse all the way to 25,000 level, and when day trading support is present, this is as good as it gets. Last Sunday Asian Open was a dream. Institutional buy zone. This Sunday Asian Open was spectacular and stunning. We knew so weeks in advance. There is nothing spectacular about the market now. We're extremely high. This is your trading range. So if I would leave my pointer on, if you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, this is what market looked like on 5-minute chart. Look at that. Days in advance, you knew where ultimate buy zone will be. Support, not the place to short. This is the market now. Since European session, you never buy into. You never short into. And if I convert this chart to 10-minute, identical formula remains. Identical significance of bright green line as you saw on institutional chart. Identical significance of critical support as you saw on institutional chart. And if I convert this chart to 1, identical precision remains. All in advance, never, ever, ever after the fact. And this is community of incredible positive traders who are giving each other inspiration, who are showing what's possible with serious effort as price remains stuck. Correct? Let me show you why. Absolutely. Praise be to positivity. That's the power of your mindset. That's the power of your effort. You decide what you want to trade. So if you decided to short the market, this is what's playing out right now. This is what intelligent traders are monitoring, as we will dissect in the class. We're stuck extremely high. Short reached critical target. This is a problem, traders. We need to crush as low as possible. If we're not crushing as low as possible, it's a pain, it's a nasty and dangerous formation. That's what intelligent traders understand. And yes, the trade is not on 3-minute chart. Trade converted to 3 for the trading room visitors. so you can see the power and precision of Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone of ATM, as Scott shares and gives very powerful quote. So when price starts reversing in front of you from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, this is no surprise. All precise, all expected, all in advance, never ever ever after the fact. And that's what the traders using in US and all over the world with Alpha Fibonacci system from small to institutional size account. You decide what you want to trade. It is that simple. Ultimate precision, ultimate positivity, ultimate power. So again, traders, as you're seeing very clearly, market stuck. So these are some of the most dangerous formations ever. Again, to remind you, market extremely high. This is institutional overextended rally. These dangerous conditions can remain for a long time, for many months. This was a breeze for intelligent trader who was buying the bottom with institutions. This was spectacular. This was breathtaking. This was stunning. Now we are extremely high, more and more pain ahead. Some of the most dangerous formations ever in front of you. Very limited trading range. So while we're looking at this very limited trading range, as you're witnessing in front of you, price been here for the last hour. Nothing else is possible. This is email from legend in the course. Scott, week number 4. So again, while we're monitoring the pullback and the reversal zone and market being stuck in ultimate chop, stories and journeys like Scott's are the reason I live and breathe what I do. So what is Scott sharing in his email? That it's a great honor to be granted permission to board your mothership of market mastery, correct? So take a look on this account statement. This is from June 17th through July 2nd. Profit factor is the most important part, 4.92. Longs, which we know institutional buyers clearly remain only long, 76%. Everyone seeing this? Scott continued perfecting his skill week 4 in the course. So this is not your average performance. Not. This is legendary. This is serious, incredible, phenomenal effort. This is what account looks like. From 100K to 4.8 million. So if you are skeptical, I don't blame you. 99.9% of humanity is skeptical. But what does this mean? Phenomenal power, phenomenal mindset, phenomenal, extraordinary effort. Considering we're not in easy markets, traders. We're not. We're in brutal markets. So imagine what Scott will do when markets are spectacular, not brutal. This is while we are in some of the worst market conditions. That's the most important part, which means Scott, Brad, Don are well prepared for spectacular and brutal market conditions. Breathtaking, amazing. As Scott says, shorts killed me, my goodness. From 100K to 4.8 million, boom. Imagine what's possible if Scott will only trade with institutions. As vertical recovery remains firmly on, the most powerful recovery, the most spectacular vertical bullish reversal since 1987. And if price will continue doing this, intelligent trader well prepared. So if you're done being majority, if you're ready to trade as top 1% of traders does, indicator free, with pure price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system, I look forward working with you. As you can trade as these incredible traders do. As traders all over the world and in 50 plus countries, trading system on any account, any instrument they choose. And if you would like to hear more, click on our podcast channel. Listen to traders' interviews, to their journeys, to their stories. New podcasts uploaded at all times. You saw Brad in the room this morning, Manu in the room, Pablo on vacation coming back, Ken is killing it on Bitcoin at SPY, David is a rock star. You can listen to his podcast. Emmanuel coming back with his incredible wife at the end of July. So if you would like to join us, take advantage of the biggest discount ever offered and choose from the option appropriate for you. View the video Ken has done to celebrate 10-year anniversary of Fibonacci Trading Institute. 3 months live classes or 6 months private mentoring that includes all group classes. At this point, private mentoring waiting list only. I am overbooked. I accept only students who entering regular course. Video library modules available to you. My team will hold your hand and will help you with software. I constantly develop new strategies. I constantly develop new systems. I love what I do. Currently, I work with traders from Florida to London to Singapore to Hong Kong to Dubai to Riyadh. Every single trader trades different instrument. Any questions? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298. And when student will take a vacation and private mentoring spot will open up, I will let you know. Any questions? Simply call. Thank you, traders, for another magnificent, spectacular morning when price reminding you, if you can deal with this, you can deal with anything. It's as brutal as it gets, and price been doing so for the last 2 hours. Be prepared for exciting times ahead, because when election will come and price will come to this zone, you will see historical formations. This is the best time to be prepared for extreme markets ahead.